It's so rewarding to see people so excited about our top-level service. This great 5-star review really motivates our team to keep working even harder. We're really happy to share this great feedback with everyone.
We are very pleased with the construction crew. These guys showed up to work. Hard workers that wanted to do the job right. Foreman, Javier, attentively listened to our concerns and dealt with them to our satisfaction. Great cleanup and then restoration of just the way things were. Impressed with the quality of their equipment. Time will tell the quality of the Ramjack system, but it looked really solid and sturdy. The house lift went smooth, quick and efficiently. We recommend Ramjack. Competence is a wonderful thing.
We'll work just as hard to make you happy too, the best way we know how, by providing you with incredible service. Come see us today. So why wait? Contact us at the number on your screen today and find out for yourself what everyone's raving about.